Hello, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video where we break down all the things about affiliate marketing. And today, in this series, we are talking about important skill, which is finding the right product. Whatever you are just starting or leveling up your game, we've got your back. This is a step-by-step guide to help you pick those winning product that can boost your earning. First thing, this is an example account that I did just to test my links, and like you see here, just been I think 6 days, I think, since I start this. I don't know how, but it's not that much. I worked on it just some few days to see if those links are working, and this is the big surprise that look at my Instagram account where I post this product that got a lot of views and got all these engaged people that looked at my profile and people clicked on the link. Also, I used Pinterest and it got a lot of views also. So in this just 1 week or even less, it's just 6 days. Now, what you need to know is how to do this. How I used this account for 6 days and how I started using this on Pinterest also before. And look at this. So there is a lot of ways to start. First things first is you have to niche exploration. You have to choose a niche. You have to look into popular areas where find these people where find things that people are really into. So a niche. Why you have to choose a niche? Because you have to focus first thing on one thing. I didn't choose a specific niche like you see here because I just did a test of my product. I didn't even do that much research of the product like I will tell you now to do. I just use a simple steps. Now, you have to go with product trends. What I do is I go and sign up on all the videos about affiliate dropshipping, all that. And on my TikTok and Instagram, they always now give me product trends. Like I can check out what's cool right now and stay on the top with stuff people love. Like I see the comments, I see when people are going like asking. So, for example, here I did home products, and like you see here, they give me a lot of trending videos. So, for example, this one has a lot of views. I can, for example, here find here those comments and see if people are interested in that product. So finally, I can get the rice out of my bag. So here I have people that interested. People are not. People are just making fun. So I can do my researches. So now you have other things like learning from others. You can go to others dropshipping or affiliate marketers account and see what successful folks are doing. So copy some tricks from the best. Also, don't forget to add your own touch. Also, you have keyword magic. Use words people are typing, like find what hot in searches. Also, you have Amazon bestseller. Once I go to Amazon, I can find out here this, which is this product are selling fast. I can go here and I can see those products, and I can now do the market research here and see what people are interested in every niche. Like you have here fashion, self-care, a lot of things, electronics, gifts, products like handmade. You can here search for all these things and see what bestseller, like you see here, like they give you Amazon give you what the best now. So also you have to once you choose, you have to read customer review on your product, like read what buyers are saying, choose things people love and need. You have to see which product you are choosing, like see what everyone's buying on Amazon, pick stuff that always wanted, create interesting content of that stuff, plan cool ways to tell people about the product, what the problem that this product solves. All you need to do this is just go to ChatGPT, tell them the name of the product, and he will give you the benefits of the product and what this product can do and what this product can solve, what the benefits, what's the problem that this product can solve, and you can use that on your content. Looking at the number, always look at the number. You can use tools that shows how things are going, see what's working and what's need changing. See always the number. If you choose the product, see the number of the seller. If you choose a video on TikTok, see the number of how that much that video going viral, comments, people, what they are asking for, this the price, which mean always look at the numbers. Takeaway tips, like now you have to sum up the main points and give clear step to try it. Now I told you about all this, and there's other ways beside TikTok made me buy it, and beside like Amazon best product, there is market research. Also, you have here this library Facebook. Once I tap on it and search, for example, here for gifts, I have all the ads now, publications that are now people promoting, and see if there is something that is going viral and I need to also try me also. So I can here do my researches, and like you see here, easy and good. Also, once you go on TikTok and on Amazon, sorry, and you choose something, there's a lot of other product the same like this. Make sure to look at this, and make sure to look at the number of the seller, make sure to look at the price, and make sure to look at the shipping. So you have to look all at all the important informations and follow it for that. So like you see here, you will find others at the same. And now you can start and take the link of the product here, and you can copy the link. This is the full link and this is the short link. Now once you copy the link, you can now go to your social media accounts and start promoting that product. All you need to do, like you see here, if I tapped on one of my videos, I will go, and this is the statistics of my reel. I want just to show you the bio and everything I do. So let me see here. Let me, for example, choose this one. And like you see here, I just click link in bio, and I did um a simple description from ChatGPT, and I use some trending music. Like you see here, it's going trend, and also choose the trending music, trending hashtag, trending keywords. Go with the trend, stay updated with the news, stay updated with the product, everything that you need. Hope this video, guys, was helpful. Please, if it was helpful just a little bit, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you guys on my next video.